Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. This is Rishabh from Ascending Techie, and today we are going to talk about Colt OS version 7 based on Android 11. So I'll tell you about my experience throughout the installation, then setup until usage. I'll put the Telegram group below so you can find all the links from there. I did a clean install, flashed firmware first, then the ROM, and then NIC apps. I tried bit apps like they recommend, but I just couldn't get it to work. So then I got the full version of NIC apps, which makes the whole process easy and also allows you to restore from your Google backups. If you do install NIC apps, you need to go to settings, apps and notifications, and then default apps and set the appropriate apps yourself for calls and assistant, or else you might have issues with receiving calls and opening assistant. Another reason to get NIC apps is because it comes with the Pixel launcher, which is the only way to get the full Android 11 experience. So set that as the default as well if you like, and if you want to try out a new minimalistic launcher called Ratio from Block that my previous video was about, you can get it from the link in the description. Once you're done setting it up, there's not much customization that you need to do. This ROM does not have customizations like Havoc as of now, but might be added in the future. Zenparts is available though. For gaming, this might be the first Android 11 ROM that has good gaming performance. I've tested Real Racing 3 and there were no issues whatsoever. The ROM also has good RAM management, allowing you to switch between a lot of apps easily. No issues on that front. Then we come to battery backup, which I was most impressed by. With the stock kernel, no tweaking out of the box, you can see the progression of battery usage. At 47 battery remaining, I already had 7 hours and 7 minutes of screen on time, and by the time I reached 16% with battery saver turned on at 30, I had a screen on time of 10 hours and 3 minutes. This is very impressive. All the new Android 11 features are also available with the music player up top, bubbles for messages, as well as notification categories, and it is all working well. The text select feature only works with Pixel Launcher, so keep that in mind. The new power menu is also available, which will also show you your Google Home devices. The customization options might become available in the upcoming updates. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, be kind to everyone.